We're diving back into insurance today, talking about a tool that can help you get the roof replacement that you've earned. Shingle matching laws. What are shingle matching laws and how exactly can they lead to a full roof replacement? Those questions and more answered in today's video. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. What are shingle matching laws? Even though I've been saying shingle matching law, really the law refers to any sort of building material and having to match it. Here in Tennessee, our shingle matching law is the following. Law 0780-01-05-.101B. It states, when a loss requires replacement of items and the replaced items do not match in quality, color, or size, the insurer shall replace items so as to conform to a reasonably uniform appearance according to the applicable policy provisions. Now, it's important to note that many insurance policies have a similar statement holding the insurer accountable to make sure they don't put just any shingle to repair your roof. However, that's usually interpreted much more in favor of the insurer. How matching laws can get insurance to pay for your roof. Let's say you've had a big storm blow through your area, but it's only damaged a part of your roof system. If you don't have access to the same material that you used to install that roof, then by law, the insurance company has to pay to replace the entire roof. Now, since we're dealing with legal aspects here, there is a lot of complications and subjective factors. Namely, what's considered reasonably uniform is up for debate. There's not a de facto exact match or something closest to it. It's undefined. There's also the issue of shingle colors wearing off over time if you have an older roof. The same exact material might look a lot more bold and new than the old material. However, if there's a situation like the photo I showed earlier, it is definitely not a reasonably uniform fit and could be replaced. Now, like anything to do with the law, there's a lot of complications and a lot of different ways to interpret it. So we encourage you to not lean on it entirely for your roof replacements and to make sure to use it as a tool to avoid having ugly patches on your roof system. How to check if your area has matching laws. Though we specifically have been talking about Tennessee's matching law, there are ways to find out if your state has matching laws. A state that has matching laws implemented is usually called a matching state. So you can go to any search engine and simply type in, is, insert your state here, a matching state. And after a little bit of research, you should be able to find your answer. Now you know what you need to about matching laws in the insurance process. But like anything with the insurance process, you need to be well informed about everything to have a good fighting chance at getting the roof replacement that you've earned. To learn more about the insurance process, click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video on the 5 things to know about the roof insurance process. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. If you want to see more videos like this, then consider liking and subscribing and supporting our channel, and leaving a comment down below of any future ideas that you want to see covered. We'll see you on the next one.